in the crystal waters off the coast of Key West. Captain Dane Karcher of Team Salt Life is already headfirst into his next dive. Today's challenge: spearfishing. Dane has been navigating the waters of Florida his entire life and has gained legendary status as a freediver, often achieving depths as great as 120 feet on a breath lasting over 3 minutes. As with every expedition below the surface, his journey today will not be without peril. From barracuda to the several species of sharks patrolling the waters, every predator will be on the lookout for an easy meal at the end of Captain Dane's spear. And there's his quarry, a school of over 100 yellowtail jacks. With his AB biller loaded and ready, it's steady, aim, dinner. Once Captain Dane is back safe on the boat, all that's left is to show off his catch and throw it on ice. Fishing ain't easy, unless you're Captain Dane with a spear.